Hello everybody. What I got today is an RCI-2970N2. This is a tune-up report for Adrian in California. Let's check it out over here on this watt meter, Adrian. I got 10 watts across the top. Got the power of this radio turned all the way down to 6. Now I'm going to snap this up to 100 watt scale. You'll see that 6 there. I'll bring it up to 60, maybe 62. Peak reading meter, I got a 500 watt slug. Be coming in right up here. There's 200, 250 is that little line right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And on sideband, audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Let's put it in. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, drivers. Have a good day. I had a stock mic out. I wanted to show you guys.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's what a simple $26 mic sounds like. And this really nice heavy mic with buttons on it from Ranger. Doesn't sound that good really.
Audio. Audio check, 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 check.
Let me put the...
I'll put this over here next to the radio. You see how it kind of sounds boxy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
That's what the stock mic sounds like. So you guys who aren't upgrading your microphone, you're not getting the radio that you've been hearing here. This is what it sounds like on a good microphone.
Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check.
All right. Just a word to the wise. Stock mics aren't always that great. All right. Have a great day.